Let's practice prepositions from espressoenglish.net. How well do you know your English prepositions? Take this quiz to find out. I'll show you a sentence with 3 options for the preposition. Try to choose the right one, and I'll show you the answer after 5 seconds. There are 15 questions in this quiz. Number 1. He gave the presentation, although, despite, or during being ill. The correct answer is despite. He gave the presentation despite being ill. Number 2. I can't drink coffee throughout, within, or without sugar. It's too bitter. The correct answer is without. I can't drink coffee without sugar. It's too bitter. Number 3. I got all the questions right, among, beside, or except the last one. The correct answer is except. I got all the questions right except the last one. Number 4. I want to snack on something salty, as, by, or like potato chips. The correct answer is like. I want to snack on something salty, like potato chips. Number 5. My house is across, close, or near the university. The correct answer is near. My house is near the university. Number 6. Our plans will depend of, on, or with the weather. The correct answer is on. Our plans will depend on the weather. Number 7. She's been to above, beyond, or over 50 countries. The correct answer is over. She's been to over 50 countries. Number 8. The fabric costs $20 by, for, or per meter. The correct answer is per. The fabric costs $20 per meter. Number 9. The figurine fell away, off, or out the shelf and smashed on the floor. The correct answer is off. The figurine fell off the shelf and smashed on the floor. Number 10. There are cherry trees all along, amidst, or aside the road. The correct answer is along. There are cherry trees all along the road. Number 11. These grapes are sweeter, as, of, or than those. The correct answer is than. These grapes are sweeter than those. Number 12. This road will take you straight in, into, or onto the city center. The correct answer is into. This road will take you straight into the city center. Number 13. We must mail the letter by, since, or until Friday. The correct answer is by. We must mail the letter by Friday. Number 14. We watch TV for, from, or since 3 hours. The correct answer is for. We watch TV for 3 hours. Number 15. There were numerous mistakes alongside, beneath, or throughout the article. The correct answer is throughout.